All right, I had a kid email me about a black fork, and since they don't exist anymore, and mine's damn near new, it's just got some dust on it from sitting, we're going to go ahead and pull it, package it up, and ship it out for tomorrow. I need to replace it with something, so I'm going to try to get another one of these kits together for it. I have to build 3 of these today because I sold 3 of them today. That's $469 right here. And don't worry, this is the extra long cable that I use for mock-up that goes on taller forks. But for $469, I could send you this. Anyways, so what we're going to do today is we also have to get the chain, and I need to make that sprocket bigger so that we can make it make sense when we put the QS motor on.